I changed just two small settings on my YouTube studio and my channel gained a lot of visibility. Yeah, this particular channel you all are watching me from. I opened this channel sometimes last year, November, and I dropped close to 3 different videos, but they didn't just do well. Like my channel was more like a dead channel. If I post video after like 3-4 days, I will be having like 10-15 views. But out of experience, cause I have a bigger channel, so I decided to test run two particular settings that is meant for new channel, and lo and behold, it was after I was able to fix this particular setting, in less than 2 weeks I was able to hit my first 300 subscribers. Like my views started increasing massively. Why? Is because I was able to put all these settings in order. So hi my loves, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. If you are a new subscriber here, you are welcome to my space. I am Princess Chamaka, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning into my channel. I love you as always. And so without saying too much, let's delve into the video. So when I created this my YouTube channel, I didn't really do any underground setting. I just opened it, I put my description, I put banner and my channel name. Then I just started posting. I posted 1 2 3, and the videos were just, they performed so terribly. Like the performance was very poor. So I decided to go ahead and fix about two important settings, which I'm going to be showing you right now. And ever since then, my channel gained the right visibility it's supposed to. So if you're out there, you're experiencing low views, or you're posting, it looks like as if nothing is going on your channel, believe me when I say this particular setting can actually be the reason why you are not getting the views that you deserve. So one thing you need to understand is that as a small YouTuber or as a new channel, you have to first of all let YouTube system and algorithm know what your channel is all about. If not, you're just going to be more like toiling and toiling here without getting any result. So the first setting I did was to inform the YouTube algorithm what my channel is all about. And for you to do that, you have to go over to your YouTube Studio desktop version, and that setting is no other setting but your keyword. That is feeding the algorithm with all the necessary information about your channel. So for you to get to that setting is actually very easy. What you just simply need to do is to head over to your YouTube Studio desktop version, which is when you go to Google, you type studio.youtube.com, then you head over to the setting area and you click on your channel. Then you're going to see the option that says keyword. So it's more like telling YouTube what your channel is going to be all about. So I took my time and I browsed out my channel keyword, because my channel is lifestyle vlogging and more like small YouTube motivations and all. So I took my time, went over to Meta AI, and I was able to generate the right keywords. So if you're wondering how can I be able to generate mine from Meta AI, just go to Meta. Hi Meta, I open a channel that is about, tell Meta what your channel is all about, then tell it to help you generate the best SEO keywords for your channel. So Meta is going to generate, then you just have to copy it and come down here and paste it. So after that, the next setting I made sure I fixed here was this advanced setting, that is setting my channel to as not made for kids. And the next thing I did was to going over to this feature eligibility. No, normally under this advanced setting, just make sure that every single setting there you fix them all. So the third thing I did was coming down to this feature eligibility and making sure that I turn every single thing here on. So as a new YouTuber, this last one might not be turned on instantly, but the minute you are like able to post some videos, some short, then YouTube is going to automatically enable it for you. But if you have the national ID card, or you have a personal ID card to like unlock it faster, you can be able to do that. So this second one is for you to verify your phone number, so that YouTube will stop seeing you as a bot but see you as a real human being. Yeah. So after that, the second most important setting I did was coming down here to this upload defaults and choose my category. So under this basic info, you are meant to do nothing. So it's meant to be left empty. Then this is of visibility, take it to public. Then after that, the next thing is click on this advanced setting. Make sure you select a perfect category. Before then, like, every single thing here was empty. I was just posting video, like just posting without coming down to check all this thing. And what baffled me the most is that it was after I was able to fix all these settings here that I started getting the visibility that I deserved. Like, so I was like, so all these things that I teach on my main channel, they're actually working. So that is why whatsoever thing I teach you on my main channel, whatsoever thing I share with you all here, they're basically what I've done that worked, or they're basically what bigger YouTubers in my niche have done that I have tried and they are working. So that is why I used to tell most of you all from my main channel that if you're able to watch my videos, you implement what I teach you step by step, then it's going to work. So if it's not working, maybe it might be that your channel just need a little time for you to gain the visibility, because whether you like it or not, the way this niche is going to pick might not be the same way this particular niche will pick. There are some niche here that need time to grow audience. There are some niche that once you just enter it like this, you just blow up overnight. Yeah, so do not panic. And if you're experiencing low views back to back, go ahead and check if this your channel basic setting are set correctly. Then if you check it out that are set correctly, the next thing you have to also try your best to check out is your channel customization, to know what is actually wrong, to know if it is that uncle that's actually the issue. And for your channel customization, there is nothing much. Just make sure you set your home page very well. That is your name, your description. Follow what your keyword says. Then you can still use ChatGPT to also help you out. Give your channel the best description. Then after that, you go ahead and set your channel interface the way you want it to be. So let me quickly briefly show you from my YouTube studio here what the channel interface is all about. And let's head over to channel customization. This is customization. Now you can see from the screen that you have profile and you have home tab. So under your profile, make sure you fix everything. Look at my description. So make sure you fix every single thing here. Then after that, click on your home tab. You can see it, channel trailer for people who haven't yet subscribed. It's more like you setting up your channel interface. That is when a person comes over to your channel and click on it, then the person will be able to know, this is what this channel is all about, without even going directly to your videos. Okay, now you can see channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed, and you can see featured video for returning subscribers. Now for you to be able to do this, is very easy. Once you come up here and your own is left empty, then scroll to this other side, you're going to see a particular icon. Okay, let me see if I can show you from here. So just scroll over here and you see a particular icon that says add section. Now once you click on the add section, you're going to see a lot of things. So you will see channel trailer, you see spotlight for returning subscribers, you see for you. So that is how you can be able to set up your interface. Then the next thing is you click on this more setting and make sure you turn every single thing here on. Turn it on. Then once you're done, you click on save. Yeah, these were the three most important basic settings that I did for this my lifestyle channel. And after that, I started delivering good videos, delivering videos that my audience will want to watch and that my audience want to see. You are trying to check out what is already working out in that channel. You don't just open a YouTube channel and maybe start doing directly from your head. You might do it sometimes and it might favor you, but one thing you have to understand is that the YouTube is highly saturated. All the niche, they are all saturated. Even this AI faceless channel niche nowadays, they are like literally everywhere. Yeah, so just try your best to understand what is working and make sure to start doing it also on your channel. So thank you so much for watching as usual, and I'll see you all in my next video.